Hello friends, today I will show you how to create web services in TIBCO BW. So for this first we have to create abstract WSDL. So for creating abstract WSDL, just go to add resource, WSDL, and under this we just define the input and output message that you wish. I am taking it as of string type. This will be the request message that my web service will be looking for of a string type. So we have defined input message and output message. Now it's time to define the operation. Select input message, and another one select output message. So now it's time to generate the web service. Go to website feature, right click on this. From visitor we are going to generate our web service. If you can see, we have not yet defined the transport. So we have two options for this. Either we can do it for using JMS as a transport or HTTP. So we will be doing with HTTP as a transport. So I'm defining host will be localhost my machine. Port is a random number, you can give any. 4 times 9. Server type I'm using HTTP component. Now again, so if you can see, the transport tab has been automatically filled, and the location, anything you want to give for your operation. So under operations I want to generate my operation. So here you can see under operation folder we have our service palette and the operations. We will see automatically in the start it is looking for a request, any application that will call our web service, and in the end the response will be here. So these things are automatically reflected. So suppose let's going to send back the response like this. Okay, so now our web service is ready. So suppose let's call our web service, and for this I have to generate concrete crystal that we have to provide to client, which includes all the information related with the address and port. So here it is a concrete crystal. Just copy this. Double click on it. Come here. Delete this. Control V. Apply. So if you will see, we have successfully generated a complete visitor as well. Now let's make a new folder called client. Let's use SOAP request reply to call our web service. Select on create visitor layer, select OK, apply, and in the input it will ask for the request that our web service is expecting. Trying to invoke typical web service. Apply. Now let's run it. This is a process. This is a client that will invoke our typical web service. And here is our web service that will be invoked. So the service pilot will not be reflecting here. So just take a note of this thing. When so if you see, I just ran this process and the service pilot automatically ran. It got the request as I trying to invoke typical web service, and the response is you successfully invoked a typical service. That's all for today. Thank you.